very still.
Window is pretty dirty.
Otherwise it gets blurred out. Yeah, but the window is dirty. Blurry.
And I can't open this window. Good morning from the Alaska Marine Highway's Auk Bay Ferry Terminal in Juneau, Alaska. In this episode, we travel aboard the MV Hubbard from Juneau to Hoonah. The Alaska Marine Highway system is a vital service for many remote communities throughout the Gulf of Alaska. Without access to roads, these ferries are the only reasonable and affordable way to travel and transport goods between communities year-round. For us, it is a convenient and dependable link between our main home in Juneau and our remote property in Hoonah. This is just one of many trips as we travel back and forth to manage and maintain two homes throughout the unpredictable Alaskan winters. Thanks for watching, and let's go to Hoonah. Probably don't want to go on the camera up the stairs, do you? I'll go down the stairs. At 280 feet long, the MV Hubbard is a 300-passenger ferry that can accommodate 53 standard vehicles. Making the ride as pleasant as possible, this ferry offers a cafeteria, a family-friendly play area, and plenty of comfortable seating options. With 360 degrees of incredible views, every ride throughout Alaska feels like an epic adventure. This one became an unexpectedly long one when we suddenly realized we were not on our usual route. This week just happened to be the monthly scheduled service to Angoon and Tenakee. That meant instead of our usual 3.5-hour ride, it would now be 12 hours before we'd arrive in Hoonah. Stay to the end to see how we do on our unexpectedly cold and dark walk home after a long day on the ferry. Looking at Angoon on what ended up being a 12-hour ferry ride that we somehow didn't notice. Get in my video. too close to our ferry. First time in Angoon. We're not getting off the ferry, but we're loving the view. We're good, we're good, we're good. Ferry to ourselves. We're gonna be naughty.
I'm scared, you know? The best thing would be if someone walked the door. I haven't done this in several years. I know, so it's the best. I can't. I never learned how, so. That's not Carlo. That's not a Carlo. No one saw that. No one saw that. I kinda did it. You kinda did it. Tell me if someone comes. You're right. How did I do that last time? I don't know. Oh, I was scared too. I can do better. I'm still not that good at it. Try it. I seriously can't. You need a big space. You need to like scoot out and go at an angle. Try it. I really shouldn't try. Someone's here? I can't. I don't think it's going to be a good idea for you to do your first cartwheel on the ferry. I can't. I've never learned how to do a cartwheel. Okay, we're done now. We can't do it again. We're too naughty. We're gonna get grounded. Oh, it's just you. Tunes.
Pulling into Teneke. It's been 8.5 hours so far out of a 12-hour total ride. Let's look at the other side. So pretty. Stuck them out on the deck. No one's messed with them. We're good. He was just wondering about my backpack full of refrigerated groceries. I had decided to put them right down there.
You've got a wingspan that's about a foot longer than anyone else on this deck. What is hold on to your feet? Catch your bear that day there, sir?
With several hours left of our ferry ride, we had plenty of time to do things like take a nap and get some work done, which for me means editing YouTube videos.
Could you hand me back the toilet paper? Oh, there's the towels.
Oh, I see. We're an hour late. 12 hours turned into 13. At least it's warmish.
Sure.
It's warmish. All right, where's the traffic? Cross now. Bye, Barry. Well, it says that it's 34 degrees, but the real feel is 43. And honestly, I think the real feel is right. It's warmish. There's no wind. I feel fine. You feel fine? Like we got this?
Sweater than CVS.
We got this. Check out this pack. Can you even see my pack? I bet you can't even see a thing. Streetlights, where'd you go? It is heavy. Scary heavy. All of a sudden it got chilly. The wind started blowing. I could feel rain. Somebody better be taking me on an expedition after this. Something not too strenuous. I don't want to carry heavy things. I don't want to have to go very far. It can't be cold. Well, I mean, it can be a little bit cold, but like real feel, it should say not as cold. I better not have to pack any water. I don't want any cans of food. You can't have to wear boots. I'm not wearing some boots. Can't be walking in some boots. Where's those benches for the old people? Is this a tourist town or what? Oh yeah, tourists take buses. You've got a point. I can see my breath, so it's not exactly warm if you can see your breath. But I've worked up quite a heat. I'm feeling okay. Wonder if you could see the boats at night. They look so pretty. I heard a dog bark. That dog better be an offense, I swear to you. I will literally scream bloody murder if somebody's barking dog comes at me right now. I'll climb the side of a human, I don't care. Hey, don't leave me. I'm gonna drop this pack and run.
I have to pick it up, find out the dog was friendly and that you're just being dramatic. Like every single dog that walks through here is friendly.
I have never met a dog barking in the street that was friendly.
You know, some people think I'm afraid of dogs, instead you're the one afraid of dogs.
Past the liquor store. Working our way to the stairs. Stairs? Misery. Brutal. There's one thing I don't like, is some stairs. Oh. Whew. Check out the moon. Can you see? Oh, hey, you can. Oh, hold still. Nice bright moonlight. What? Huh?
God!
Dude, you don't just stop and stare like you just saw something that's gonna murder us.
I was thinking about how I could do a chalk drawing of it. Jeez. I thought you were so far behind. Maybe I had time. There is a board there. I'm pretty sure the stairs are closed.
What?
Look, the stairs are boarded.
You can't even see the stairs.
Yes, I can.
What'd they do? Rip the stairs out?
I don't know. All I see is a board blocking the top and one blocking the bottom.
It's
I
quite.
could go up and see.
They're killing me. I just literally walked this hill.
You didn't walk that far.
Oh. I walked a little bit of this hill to find out the stairs are closed.
This day is turning out great.
Why? Why would they do this to me? I had no warning. For sure?
For sure. It's like all ripped. Like the sides are gone.
We're just like the only two people in the entire world. Because legit, there's no one. No one's out here. We are literally alone in the empty streets of very dark Hoonah. What's that? Oh, we're not that alone. Someone started their car. Oh, hey, no thanks. I don't want some ride. Oh, the window's down. I do want some ride. Nope. Hey, no thanks. No, I don't want some ride. I'm training for an expedition. I'm a real life mountain climber after this. All right, here it is. The old hill. The hill we used to have to take before we started using the stairs. I remember it now. It hurts already. No thanks, I don't want some ride. I'm training for an expedition. Okay, camera's going off. I don't need anybody to watch my death. This is gonna be a slow one. Oh, did you get in? Literally just. It was a 13-hour ferry today. Oh no. Yeah, and Thomas didn't tell me that he booked me on the 12-hour. So here we're thinking we're getting in the morning, and no. I found out in Angoon that it was going to be a lot longer. Oh, thanks for stopping. Whew. Made it to the house. We got picked up after all. Thanks, Fran and Bill. You guys are the best.
In the next episode, I get a bit of work done around the house before heading out for some socializing.
Nope, I need the big fella. No, it's not even slightly safe. Here, hold this so everybody can see if I die. I'm gonna need video evidence of
Can't I be holding the ladder instead of a pillow?
Oh yeah, hold the ladder.